the end of the day, identity access management is the necessary evil. We all carry around these high-end multiple multiple caliber devices where they play music and they entertain us on all types of different levels, but they also are a very strong, valuable entity when it comes to a form of identity management.
Biometrics and do we need an eyeball and kind of other things to get into the system. That is from a mentality when you're thinking about where important information used to live, right? It was down in a vault somewhere. Someone's got to get to it, secret agent type stuff. But now the reality is all that information is much closer and it's everywhere, right? And so when we're thinking about remote access, it's all of those different components, right? We're all kind of super secret agents at the end of the day, trying to access the most important information that we can.
The key thing is we want to make this frictionless. You have to balance safety versus use, because if we make this so complex, so hard, so difficult, your end users will find a way around everything.
A very simple security mechanism that a lot of people look at as complex when it's not that complex. That could have prevented so much, which keeps your reputation from being tarnished, keeps the trust in your customers, your employees, your business that you interact with, just holistically, right? A simple added layer can really make the difference to a lot.
So at the end of the day, identity access management is the necessary evil.